The Emulster salad dressing mixer is the easiest way to mix and store your own homemade salad dressings. You can use one of your favorite recipes or choose one that we've included on the bottle. There's balsamic vinaigrette, Greek salad dressing, and a honey mustard vinaigrette. When making something simple like the balsamic, pop the top off the emulster to fill with your ingredients. Once you've filled the emulster with your ingredients, replace the top and pull the trigger. The stirring stick blends automatically and easily. When the dressing is fully mixed, pull the top up, but not off, to pour easily and without any mess. For storage, push the top back down, toss the emulster in the fridge until next time. Nuts make a healthy snack and a great garnish, but they're so tricky to chop with a knife. The cute but capable NutZoom makes this prep job fast and fun. To use, open the NutZoom from the top tab here, then fill with your favorite nut. Snap close this little door and roll.
You can see the Zoom chops nuts in seconds. The more you roll, the finer your chop. Now to remove the nuts, open from the bottom tab here. Next, you'll want to carefully grab the finger holds on either side of the blades and remove. Now you can empty the Zoom easily. When you're done, place both pieces of the NutZoom on the top rack of your dishwasher for easy cleaning.